We wanted to make sure that our skincare line included not only the best ingredients, but the highest concentration of those ingredients found on the market today.
With absolutely no fillers and no junk. And we were also committed to creating a line that was luxurious.
We look to our environment, to our backyards for inspiration. And being raised on the coastal marshes, we love the twice-a-day tides. We live by them. We know how they replenish our shores and how they bring this beautiful ecosystem to our backyards. Sapelo brings a surge of nutrients and nourishment and hydration to your skin twice a day.
Stephanie and I are extremely proud that our products are made, produced, packaged, and shipped from Savannah, Georgia.